Okay, guys, welcome back to the second segment of our training. And today we're gonna be teaching ourselves how to make organic black soap for skin brightening and lightening. So, for this, these are the ingredients we're gonna use. Okay, this is sweet almond, sweet almond oil. This is vegetable oil. This is palm oil, the normal cooking palm oil we use at home. This is tea tree oil. We have castor oil. Then this is jojoba oil, neem oil, and then this is carrot serum. This is for brightening also. We have lemon essential oil, honey. We have omiaru, then the whitening glycerin. This is optional as well. Then rose water. Then powders. It's like the same powder we had in soap for pimples and acnes. Then some of those powders are here, and we'll be adding others. We have sandalwood powder, camwood, neem powder, orange peel powder. We have turmeric powder, moringa powder, and a carrot powder. Then don't forget oatmeal powder. We'll be adding this oat flour. It's actually an exfoliating agent. It deeply cleans the skin. Then we had our milk. This is a milk flavor. We'll be adding it to our recipe. Then our lemon and the lime. Okay, let's get started. This is, don't forget your black soap. You must have soaked it for 24 hours with rice water. And this is what you get having soaked your black soap for 24 hours. This is what you get. And we have this glowing and brightening soap. These are organic as well. We can help you source all this material if you can't get them in your location. Wherever you are, irrespective of your state or your location, we can help you source the original raw material, because it's very essential and important in your recipe for you to get the good results you wanted. Okay, in this preparation we will need to cut this soap into pieces. Leave it in there to melt. Leave it for 15 to melt 20 minutes. To glowing and brightening soap. This is how our glowing and brightening soap looks like after melting it in a double burner. Then we add it to our soap. Then we have oil phase and a water phase. We are going to add all the essential oils we are using for this. We add them and mix them together in this container. So we are adding 1 tablespoon of each. This is sweet almond oil. We add 1 tablespoon. Then our palm oil, also 1 tablespoon. Palm oil. This is our lemon essential oil, 1 tablespoon. Castor oil. This is castor oil. Tea tree oil. We add 1 tablespoon of tea tree oil. Then we add our olive oil. Carrot serum. We add our neem oil. We add our honey. Make sure you get the original of all this oil on there. This is sandalwood powder. Our powders are half teaspoon each. Okay. Cinnamon powder. We had half lemon. Okay. We had our lime. Okay. So okay. The next thing we are going to add is our egg. Then we mix all the ingredients together. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like and share.